Alright guys, so this is how to register how to get started on Solix Depin job. So once you put in your email, then your password, confirm your password, then the referral code. You see the referral code in the comment section and description of this video. Welcome to Linking Space guys. I've been long, so I know you guys have missed me. So click on verify human after inputting your email and password. Verify human, then agree and continue. Okay, now you can save your password and save your file. So the next thing here is to start earning. Click on start earning, then you have to log in. So once I log in, this is it guys. You perform the task here. Follow S account, click on it, follow their X account. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and go to the comment section, click the link and description of this video to get started. So this is their X. What you have to do is to follow them on X. Click on follow, then click on notification, then you head back and claim. So next step is to join their Discord. So if you have Discord, you can just go ahead and join their Discord channel for more tips to claim your points. So this is their Discord. Once I click on accept, once I click on join, this is it. I will join their Discord. So then you click on verify, click on welcome to verify, start verification, sorry, click on this. Please select the train in the menu. Select the train in the menu. Okay, I think this is the train. Select it. Education successful. So after verifying, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and claim the reward. This is a Depin airdrop. So you can come. This is all the tasks you have to perform. You can see I've performed the first 2 tasks here. So just perform this task, they are not hard. So let's go ahead and go to our profile. As you can see, it's mining here. Let's go ahead and go to our, you can add this to your bookmark. Okay. Okay, this is the Solix Depin airdrop. So let's check something. Let's check whether I can search for their Chrome extension if they have Chrome extension. Solix. Okay, Solix extension download. Let's check whether they have their extension. You click the first link you see here. Alright, there's an extension for the Solix, and so just go ahead and click on add extension. Remember, if you are using a mobile, remember to use Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser for this. So it's already adding to the extension. As you can see, it has been added to extension. So once I just click here, I will scroll down. Sorry. Once I just click here, I will scroll down and look at it, the Solix. Then I have to pin it. Once I pin it, I will just come here and click on it. Then continue, login, and I have to log in. So enter my email. I'll enter my email. And password. So click on submit. Okay, look at where I made a mistake here. Then click on submit. Alright, this is I've logged into my account. Then let's click on boost N and see something. Okay, referral. So I'll be dropping the referral link in the description of this video and the comment section. Do well to click it and join it. Follow the steps I mentioned above. Perform this task and you are good to go.